In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete photos in Grok AI. Whether you uploaded an image by mistake or just want to clean up your chat history, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Grok AI, and of course, you can access it through the Twitter if you have that account, or just go to the Grok web interface if you are using it directly. Now, all you have to do, for example, you have spoken with the interface and you wanted to delete an uploaded photo by mistake. Now, all I have to do is go to the history. For example, I have typed in a prompt here. I'm gonna click the see all. You see, scroll down until you find the image that I have attached. If you can't find on the history, all I have to do is click your profile icon on the bottom left corner and click the files, because the files will show you some photos that you have basically shared here in the platform. All I have to do is super simple. Since you have it here, just click the delete file. It's super simple. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the photos here in Grok AI. Now keep in mind, once a chat or the photo has been deleted, it cannot be recovered. So make sure there's nothing important in that conversation before deleting. And basically that's it for today's video on how to delete photos in Grok AI. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.